The BrightLine Monitor Mount. Mod Display's BrightLine monitor mounts install the same across all sizes, with two small differences. Panels 40 inches or smaller use a single-piece mount that fits directly into the side brackets without the need to slide over a center support pole, while larger panels use a mount that ships in multiple sections and must be assembled before installation. In this video, we'll use the 118-inch panel as the example. To start, remove the top frame section if you have already installed it. Slide the TV bar down over the center support poles until it sits into the side brackets. Then reconnect the top and confirm the bar is level and secure. Before adding graphics, connect a 10-foot extension cord to the TV power cable. Route the cord inside of the TV mount channel using the Velcro ties and clip it neatly down the frame. The cord will eventually exit through the bottom corner of the display. Next, install the graphic, then use the cutter tool to create 1-inch vertical slits in the fabric where the screws fit into the TV bar. Don't worry, the fabric will not run. Use the openings to access the monitor bar, then secure the monitor plate with the two M6 bolts. Add spacers if needed, and tighten. Attach the brackets to your TV using the M5, M6, or M8 screws that match your TV. Then lift and hang the TV onto the monitor plate until it locks. Optional side feet can be added for extra support. Congratulations! Your BrightLine monitor install is complete.